guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Johnny here, and today we got a new video for you. As you guys can see right over here, I do have some goodies for the 440i. So if you didn't see it before, we do have a package from VRSF. So let's go ahead and unbox that and show you guys what it is. Alright guys, so here is the downpipe. I did go ahead and rip the tape just so it's easier on video, but as you can see, it comes with a packing slip, and then here's the actual downpipe. So this downpipe is intended to be used with the stock hardware that you have on the B58 engines. Unlike the N54 downpipes from VRSF, this does not come with any new bolts or gaskets. According to the packing slip from VRSF, this downpipe does fit all B58 powered cars, excluding the Supra. So that includes the M240i, 340i, 440i, 540i, 740i, and the X-Drive models as well. First impression on this is the downpipe does look a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I've seen videos of it and did not expect it to be this big. So that's what she said, but regardless, looking at the welds on this, it's not the best welds you're gonna see, but as long as it does its job, I don't mind if it's not looking that pretty. But one cool thing to note here is you do see the VRSF logo is kind of like welded onto the side here. And it does have your bungs for your O2 sensors, and then I guess your hanger for the downpipe. I did buy an O2 spacer which had a cat in it so that I wouldn't get a check engine light, but I'll go ahead and put the company I ordered it from here. It was through Amazon, and I don't recommend ordering through them purely because when I received my package it was empty. If you do decide to go that route, they're like around 30 bucks. This is a 4.5 inch diameter downpipe, and it looks pretty beefy like I said, but we're gonna go ahead and install this and just see how well the fitment is and how easy the installation process is, but hopefully we can get it knocked out in about 2 hours. Alright guys, so from the top of the engine, you're going to want to remove the air intake as well as the two O2 sensors on the downpipe. Next, you're going to want to remove the downpipe. Make sure to unscrew the hanger and any clamps. Here is the new downpipe as well as the OEM downpipe side by side. Make sure to remove this gasket or get a new gasket for the new downpipe so that you won't have an exhaust leak. And here is the new downpipe fitted onto the exhaust, and everything's all tightened up. Alright guys, so we just finished changing out the downpipe, and I took maybe an hour max. I don't know if you can hear very good through video, but it does sound very good and you get that great gasoline smell. So we'll go ahead and put some more sound clips right here. Alright guys, so with the downpipe installed, we can go ahead and do some 0 to 60s and see exactly how the 440i will perform now. I do think it feels a lot more punchy or torquey compared to how it was with the stock downpipe. So we're gonna go ahead and do a 0 to 60 and see the best time that we got with the Catless downpipe versus the best time we got with the Cata downpipe. And I'll go ahead and show those videos right now. Alright guys, so that's gonna go ahead and end off the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like if you liked the video, and go ahead and consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video, guys.